Hi guys, my name is Aboobacar and welcome to my channel. Today we are making the ultimate chili oil. It is rich in flavor and spices. There is nothing better than homemade chili oil where you are carefully blending all the unique spices. You can literally use this chili oil to add flavor and spice up any dish. You can use it on pastas, plain rice, fried rice, noodles, eggs, sandwich. Basically, you can use it everywhere. You will need a few different spices. Most of them you can find it in your local Asian shop or online. For this amazing recipe, you will need 90 grams of chili flakes, 10 grams Sichuan peppercorn, 5 grams of hot chili powder, 5 grams of cayenne pepper, 5 grams of paprika powder, 20 grams of black vinegar, 5 grams of black sesame seed, 5 grams of white sesame seed, 6 cloves of garlic, 6 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and 5 black cardamom. For the sesame seeds, you can use 10 grams of any color you have. Grab a pan and add Sichuan peppercorn, 1 cinnamon stick, star anise, black cardamom. Lightly bruise your garlics and keep the skin and add them to the pan. Add 750 milliliters of your favorite oil. You can use sunflower oil, peanut oil, canola oil. I'm using olive oil as it is my favorite and I like this oil health benefits. Heat your chili oil in a low heat for around 1 hour. This is when the magic will happen. All the spices will infuse with the oil and an explosion of aromas will happen in your kitchen. Grab a large bowl and add 90 grams of chili flakes, 5 grams of paprika powder, 5 grams of hot chili powder. Oops, my boss is calling. I need to know what he wants. Let's see what he wants. Okay, boss. Now continuing, 5 grams of cayenne pepper, 10 grams of fine salt, and mix well. Add black vinegar and mix again. Add white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. Again, you can use any color you want. Add Chinese 5 spices powder if you have it. It is optional. Give it a final mix. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. It will help me a lot. Keep an eye on the oil. At this point the oil is releasing a beautiful aroma. We want the oil to slowly bubbling the spices. Control the heat. We do not want the spices to burn. If any garlic cloves start to become brownish, you can remove it. After approximately 1 hour, you can turn up the heat up to medium-high for around 1 to 2 minutes. Please do not leave it to a smoke point. When the oil is ready, grab a fine mesh strainer and slowly put the oil into the bowl with the spices. If you need help like me, ask someone to hold the pan or the fine mesh strainer. It will make an amazing foam, which is good. All the ingredients are infusing. That is awesome. Stir a little bit and leave it to cool down. Look at this beautiful oil, enriched with all the exotic spices. The roast sesame seeds and the chili flakes will give a nice crunchy texture to your amazing chili oil. The fusion of the chili flakes with hot chili, paprika, and cayenne powder will boost your chili oil flavor to a next level. Trust me guys. Wow, the color is fantastic. You can store it in a container jar. This is a perfect gift for anyone that is a spicy enthusiast. The beauty of this oil is that you can use it as a topping in any dish. It goes with everything and it will boost the flavor. It is really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I post new recipes every week. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.